Hello everyone, my name is Courtney Hoffeller and welcome to my presentation for my SUPERjury nomination of Matt DeRosa's Historic Preservation Studio. So in this studio, our project was to design a visitor center for Frank Lloyd Wright's Unity Temple in Oak Park, Illinois. As next neighboring to it is a vacant parking lot, which is very long and narrow. Along with this program, we had requirements to only connect to the temple through underground, along with various programs to include such as a secondary chapel/lecture hall, a coffee shop, a gift shop, some offices and meeting rooms, archival storage, and parking. So my overall design proposes to reflect the language of the temple by inverting technologies through contrasting enclosure systems. And this is visible in my concept diagram, and specifically the street elevation is the best to visually see this. In accompany to the same language as the temple, the vertical rhythm across the facade, which flows into the skylight of the interior of the chapel, is meant to give the visitor center a contemporary twist on the temple. And so my design utilizes a single material of wood to contrast and not distract from the temple, as the color and the texture of the wood is soft and light against the concrete. I set my building back off of the street to add hierarchy respect to the temple, along with creating a reflection pool to frame the specific facade view of the temple. And visitors can also experience further uniquely framed views off of the vertical garden balcony, which is very close to the rear facade with the beautifully detailed columns. And so on that balcony, you can get a very unique look at those columns up close, along with a unique corner perspective at the tip of the balcony, which is you could see in one of my renderings. So through that, across the site, one of my ideals was to embed nature all throughout the design, as that was one of Frank Lloyd Wright's thing, along with the Unitarian culture. And so you can see that through a exposed light well near the rear of the building that ties the underground temple connection to the visitor center through natural light and nature. And so you can see this light well the best in my entrance rendering. Down the stairs, you can see a little peek of that, along with my perspective section, and what was it? But overall, my idea was to embed nature and reflect the language of the temple. And thank you for listening to my presentation. Bye.